Hello friend, today I will show you how to change Facebook page name. To see how to change Facebook page name, please watch the full video. This is my Facebook page you are looking at. From here you can't change your name. To change your Facebook page name, you want to do what? You want to go to Chrome. You want to go to Chrome. You need to type m.facebook.com. You need to type m.facebook.com. Then you go to your page. Here I am going to my page. Please wait, network problem. That's my page. Then you need to tap more. Yes, you can see more. You need to tap in more. Then you need to tap edit page. Then you need to go on page info. Please wait, internet problem. Then you tap on here, you can see your face name. Then you tap on your face name. Then you tap on your face name, and here you can change your face name. Tap in here. Tap in here and you can change your face name. Thanks for watching. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.